Good morning and welcome to another vlog. So this morning we're going to do some smoothies. So we have our berries, blackberry, blueberry, raspberry. We have some chia seeds in this. We have our whey protein 100%, the vanilla flavor, and we have our probiotics, which is our vegetable, which is organic. And we have a little banana here for sweetening, and also we have our super zero yogurt vanilla flavor. So, and we'll possibly add some almond milk to get everything together, since most of this is all powder. So we're just gonna do that for breakfast using this, and then afterwards I will show you guys the final product. So give me a moment, let me get everything in the blender, and then I'll be right back with you guys. Okay, so we're gonna put everything together now. Hands are washed and we're ready. We're gonna do the almond unsweetened milk. So I'm not measuring, I'm just going as I feel like. So I'm gonna do that first, this amount, and then we're gonna add the yogurt to this. I'm not going to do the full amount either for the probiotics or the protein powder, because those can tend to be a little bit sweet based on what I tried with the probiotics. Not the probiotics, the whey protein. It's sweet, so I don't want it to be too sweet, so I'm not gonna add anything to that. So I am now going to add my probiotics. Normally they say 1 cup, so I'm going to do the one spoonful. I am also going to add my whey protein now. The whey protein, like I said, it's large. You see, this is a large cup, so I am not going to fill it all the way up. I think that this is enough because it's sweet. I got these off Amazon. I was just looking and reviewing, and then I got them off. So I'm going to add the remainder of this. Then I am going to now open this new packet. Because it's not here. Okay, so we're gonna do strawberry, blackberry, blueberry, raspberry. That's enough. Shake them down, you see? This is it. Oh, my banana is not so wonderful. But I'm just going to use the parts that are actually good. I'm not going to stress about the banana to that. Right. So I'm just going to use the part that are good, and then don't the rest of it. So I'm not going to use this part. And then the final touch is the chia seed, but we're going to blend and then add the chia seed. I am not going to torture you guys with my blending. So after I blend, I will be using my Halloween glass, because guess what, it's Halloween time coming. So I'm gonna pour in this, and that's gonna be breakfast for this morning. So I'll be right back to show you guys and also explain the taste for you guys. Bye. Okay, so we're back. So this is the amount that I got, ready to pour in my glass that is washed. And we're gonna do the taste test. Okay. See? Everything is full blend. Totally liquidy. Yep. Just a small amount left to totally fill my glass, which is what I want. So let's get this taste test on for you guys. All right, so let's go. Ready? It's all mixed, so I don't need to mix. Nice. And because the fruits are frozen, you taste it. I'm actually tasting the protein powder, but for some reason I'm not tasting the probiotics, which is very good because it have this vegetable taste to it, and sometimes I don't really like that. Very good, very refreshing, fully packed. So this is breakfast for today, so that's how I do it. Sometimes I'll do a smoothie. I'm planning on doing one for my toddler, but you know, without all those fancy stuff. And I am going to add the rest to this and add my chia seed, which I totally forgot. I also have some flaxseed. I might add those as well. So getting all my, because you know I have my protein, I have my vegetable from my probiotics, and I'm gonna get in my seeds. The only thing I think that this is missing would probably be some nuts, and not necessarily because I got that from the fruits. See, I have my fruits, my protein, and my vegetable, just like my plate. So that's it for weight lost. Quick smoothie in the morning, doesn't take any time and easy to do. So thank you guys again for joining. Do enjoy the rest of your day. Remember, like, share, and subscribe, as well as follow Being the Martins, as well as Just Oddy. That's JUSTODEY on YouTube. And don't forget to leave a comment. Let me know what else you guys want me to share with you as we go down this journey of losing weight, staying healthy, staying fit, and just being our best selves for our children or our spouse or just overall health. Because that's what I'm doing. I'm trying to be overall healthy, not just for myself and for my family, but just overall. So thank you again for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day. The toddler is behind me. You hear him running up and down and talking about round and round. So I'm gonna sit down, have my smoothie, and just enjoy some time together. Bye.